What's the one thing that separates the big institutional crypto traders from the rest of us? It's not just the size of their portfolio, it's the speed and efficiency of their trades, and that is fundamentally powered by liquidity. For many of the world's most sophisticated players, Kraken's deep liquidity pools are the engine that makes high-volume crypto trading possible. So, how exactly do institutions utilize this crucial component of Kraken's ecosystem? It all comes down to two main areas: execution and risk management. First, let's talk execution. Institutional investors, like hedge funds and asset managers, often need to move massive amounts of crypto, think millions, even billions, of dollars, without dramatically impacting the market price. This is where deep spot liquidity becomes their best friend. Kraken's pools offer enough depth to absorb these large orders without significant slippage. For institutions, this means their trades are executed faster and at more predictable prices, which is critical for maintaining their performance benchmarks. They can rely on Kraken's high volume across pairs like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins to get the job done, often leveraging tools like Kraken's institutional API and fixed protocol for automated, high-frequency trading strategies. Next is risk management, particularly in the derivative space. Crypto futures are inherently volatile. To protect traders and maintain market integrity, Kraken employs a specialized liquidity pool for derivatives. This pool is funded by Kraken itself, acting as a crucial safety net. Its primary role is to minimize the need to unwind futures positions in extreme volatility. Instead, it provides a buffer to cover small shortfalls during liquidations. For institutions, this means a more stable and reliable trading environment, ensuring their complex derivative strategies can operate with a higher degree of confidence and protection. In essence, whether it's trading large spot volumes with minimal slippage or engaging in complex, leveraged futures trading with an added layer of security, Kraken's deep and strategic liquidity pools serve as the foundational infrastructure. They allow institutions to operate at a professional scale, meeting the demanding execution and risk standards of traditional finance in the new world of digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.